Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Trust wallet to encrypted cloud storage. Easy tutorial, step by step, clearly. Open your Trust wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged in and on the main wallet screen. Tap on the settings icon located in the bottom right corner. Select wallets from the list of options. Find the wallet you want to back up and tap on it. Choose the export wallet option. You will be prompted to enter your password for security. After entering your password, your recovery phrase will be displayed. Write down your recovery phrase in a secure location, making sure to keep it private. Now, open your preferred encrypted cloud storage service. Sign in to your cloud storage account or create a new one if necessary. Locate the option to upload files or documents. Create a new folder specifically for your Trust wallet backup. Upload a text document containing your recovery phrase to this folder. Ensure that the document is encrypted by your cloud storage provider. Once the upload is complete, check the document to confirm it is accessible. Log out of your cloud storage account to ensure security. Congratulations! You have successfully backed up your Trust wallet to encrypted cloud storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.